How to make a quiz on the Homework app. Click on Make a Quiz on the home page. Select your class and subject. Select a topic and the number of questions of each mark that you'd like to include in your quiz. Look at the quiz that the Homework app has put together for you. If you like it, click on Next. Now add the quiz details like the quiz name, the duration of the quiz, quiz start time and quiz end time, and when you would like to show the answer key. Click on Create Quiz and your quiz is ready. Share your quiz. And that's all, you're done.